Hi everyone, welcome to Spark SQL training classes. 100% practical, step by step and real time. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School and I would be your trainer for this entire course, Spark SQL with real time project work. I'm here to provide you the complete hands-on, complete practical approach with use case scenarios. Now what is Spark SQL? A Spark SQL is a powerful platform for the purpose of working with data, big data, structured, semi-structured, unstructured data. To implement Spark SQL, we need a platform called Spark. Spark is an open source environment from Apache company. Spark is a platform used for end-to-end integrations, end-to-end operations with respect to data, apps, AI tools, and also analytics. In my training classes, I'll start with Spark first. Let you understand practically from installation of Spark to Spark SQL, analytics, and also Spark advanced concepts. We'll take it slowly step by step. Here, Spark SQL is a major platform for the purpose of distributed data processing, SQL-based big data analytics, ETL extract transform load, data warehousing, real-time data processing, batch and stream processing, data analytics and reporting, and AI, ML, machine learning and data engineering. So everyone in big data stack will always use Spark SQL some way or the other. In our training classes, we have all these activities queued up with examples. Now the main advantages of Spark SQL. Spark being an open source, it has good scope for or good flexibility for support of various data platforms, on-premises as well as cloud, big data as well as small data, structured as well as semi-structured and unstructured data. Spark SQL supports AI, ML integrations. Because Spark SQL is open source, it has rich support for Hadoop framework, Hadoop and HDFS framework, Hadoop file systems. In our training classes, we have good number of components to learn in Spark SQL stream. I will be teaching you connecting and working with various data sources, data frame concepts, Spark SQL queries, Spark SQL filters and aggregations. I will be teaching you practically Spark joins, window functions, views and temporary views. We have local global views and we have in-memory processing in views. We have CTE, common table expressions and subqueries. We have query optimizations, caching and data persistence activities. Everything with examples and use case scenarios, trust me. The things will be very useful and very interactive and you will love it at your job desk. I will make it. In my Spark SQL training classes, I have concept-wise assignments and weekly case studies to make you expert, to make you an SME, subject matter expert. In my Spark SQL training classes, I will be teaching you from scratch big data fundamentals. Then we'll slowly proceed for Apache Spark architecture, the environment setup and installations. Then comes Spark SQL concepts right from the basics. We'll be learning about views, temporary permanent views. We'll be learning about filtering activities, conditional logics, string functions, numeric functions. We'll be learning about data and time functions, aggregations, various levels of joins we are going to learn, set operators, window functions, data frames, and then next level window functions we are going to learn with nested data structures, JSON, Parquet, AVRO and blob binary large objects, lake, data lake and delta lake concepts, performance optimizations, and Spark SQL with Hive. We will be taking a project as well with delta tables, merge activities, error handling, debugging, and real-time activities. My complete guidance for your interview preparation on this Spark SQL module. We'll take it slowly from scratch and we'll be concluding the entire course with a nice real-time project for your resume. You can aim at ETL developer, big data engineer, or data engineer or data analyst with Databricks touch or Azure or Fabric or AWS implementations with my detailed Spark SQL training classes. Come on, let's meet for the live classes. You can also opt for the video training. We have self-paced videos, live online, in-house classroom trainings. You can choose any one. Same support and same guidance for all my classes step by step. See you soon in my actual classes. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye-bye. Take care.